Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the video mode. We can switch to the photo one if you wish, but it doesn't really matter because we will enter the general settings. So now we have to take a look at this option bar and tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner. Then let's go to the settings and here scroll all the way down to find Restore Defaults. Let me quickly turn on the grid lines, maybe this one. As you can see, we've got the grid lines. It is because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So, three bars icon, settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Restore Defaults. Your device will ask you whether you want to really restore the defaults, so just tap on Restore. And we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.